Ready to turn your space into something straight out of a luxury dream? These incredible smart furniture pieces and modern decor ideas are designed to elevate comfort, style, and functionality all at once. From sleek transformations to space-saving brilliance, every piece brings a high-end feel to your home without the hassle. Check the links in the description to explore them all. Think your room is too small for a bed? Think again. This cabinet bed looks like a simple storage unit by day, then folds out into a full sleeping space in seconds. You don't need tools or heavy lifting, just pull and it transforms. It keeps your space clean, organized, and ready for guests anytime. Perfect when you want comfort without giving up valuable floor space. Your nightstand should do more than just hold your phone. This smart bedside table lets you drop your phone on top and charge it instantly. No cables, no mess. Built-in LED lighting gives you 3 brightness options, so you can set the perfect mood without an extra lamp. 3 drawers keep your essentials tucked away and your space clutter-free. Sleek, modern, and surprisingly practical. It upgrades your bedside in one move. Some chairs look good, but this one feels like a hug the moment you sit down. The Bambola armchair ditches the rigid frame look and gives you a soft, sculpted shape that naturally supports your body. It's designed to feel relaxed and effortless, almost like it's molded just for you. Inside, modern recycled materials create structure while keeping things lightweight and eco-friendly. You get comfort, style, and sustainability all in one cozy seat. What if your screen didn't block your view, but enhanced it instead? This transparent OLED display lets you see content and what's behind it at the same time. Bright, self-lit pixels keep colors vivid and sharp, even on a see-through panel. You can touch and control everything directly on the glass, making it feel futuristic and interactive. Perfect for stores, displays, or setups where you want tech to blend right in. Walls shouldn't just look good, they should feel alive. These recessed RGB lights slide right into your acoustic panels, giving you a clean, built-in glow with no bulky strips showing. You can change colors, set moods, or even sync the lights to your music for a full vibe upgrade. Voice control lets you adjust everything without lifting a finger. It's an easy way to turn any wall into a smart, immersive feature. Lighting shouldn't just brighten a room, it should set the whole mood. These smart recessed lights give you rich colors and smooth gradients, so your ceiling becomes part of the vibe. You can switch from bright everyday lighting to soft night glow in seconds. Control everything with your voice or phone, even when you're not home. It's like having multiple lighting styles built right into your ceiling. A globe that doesn't sit still, it floats in midair. This magnetic levitating globe hovers above its base and slowly spins, creating a stunning 360-degree display. You get a clear world map while enjoying a piece of tech that feels straight out of the future. Built-in LED lighting adds a soft glow, making it perfect for desks or shelves. It's equal parts learning tool and eye-catching decor. Bring art and function together in one striking piece. This hexagon honeycomb resin table glows with built-in LED touch lighting, turning your tabletop into an interactive centerpiece. Each table is handcrafted and fully customizable, so you get a design that's uniquely yours. Made from reclaimed wood and high-quality epoxy, it's eco-friendly and built to last. Perfect for living rooms, offices, or any space that deserves a wow factor. Maximize your space without sacrificing comfort. This queen-size Murphy bed folds down effortlessly for a full night's sleep and tucks away neatly when not in use. During the day, a built-in desk keeps your workspace ready, complete with LED lights and shelves for organization. Integrated power outlets make charging devices a breeze. Strong, stylish, and space-saving, it's perfect for guest rooms, studios, or any room that needs to do double duty. Need a table that adapts to your life? This extendable console starts slim and sleek, then slides out into a massive dining table for up to 12 people. It's perfect for everyday use, work-from-home days, or hosting big dinners. Heavy-duty construction keeps it sturdy whether compact or fully extended. Plus, the smooth surface wipes clean easily, making it as practical as it is versatile. Step into a space that practically glows with elegance. These backlit onyx and marble panels turn ordinary walls and floors into stunning works of art. Light shines through the natural translucence of the stone, creating a warm, immersive atmosphere you can feel the moment you enter. With LED technology, every panel is evenly illuminated, with no shadows to ruin the effect. You can even connect it to your home automation for full control, anywhere in the world. Bring a touch of magic to your living room with these infinity accent tables. Mirrors and LED lights combine to create the illusion of endless depth. One looks like a shimmering well, the other like astronauts floating in space. You can showcase your favorite items inside, turning each table into a personalized work of art. Compact yet striking, they grab attention instantly. Watch as your room transforms into a space full of wonder and creativity. Upgrade your kitchen with this smart Wi-Fi-enabled fridge that makes everyday life effortless. Knock twice on the InstaView window and peek inside without opening the door, keeping cold air in. The auto-open door swings open hands-free when you need it most. You can even control temperatures, settings, and alerts with voice commands via ThinQ. With a stainless steel, scratch-resistant finish and a customizable chill pantry, your food stays fresh and your kitchen looks sleek. Step into the future of clean and smart spaces with the AI Smart Bin. It's more than a trash can. It's HD camera and AI detect and sort waste in real time, covering over 90 categories with 95% plus accuracy. The fast pan tilt mechanism ensures precise disposal every time, while the 10.1-inch full HD display gives interactive feedback. Powered by the latest NVIDIA chips and always connected to the cloud, it makes recycling smarter, easier, and surprisingly satisfying. You just drop your waste, and it handles the rest. Wake up your mornings with a coffee system that feels like it was made just for you. This transitional machine grinds your beans fresh, froths milk effortlessly, and serves over 15 different beverages, from espresso to lattes, long coffee to macchiatos. The full-color touchscreen makes customizing strength, temperature, and foam level a breeze. No plumbing? No problem, you can install it anywhere. Cleanup is simple too, with push-button milk nozzle cleaning and discreet storage for your coffee essentials. Make every gathering unforgettable with this round table. This luxury expanding table transforms effortlessly to fit any number of guests, from an intimate dinner to a full dining room. Its sleek design and flawless craftsmanship turn it into a centerpiece that everyone will admire. Built with precision, it combines style and function seamlessly. You just pull, twist, or slide, and the table adapts perfectly to your space and occasion. Turn any room into a peaceful retreat with this all-in-one sound and aroma machine. It combines white noise, over 50 natural sounds, a soothing nightlight, and an essential oil diffuser to help you sleep, focus, or relax. The premium metal shell and stereo speaker deliver crisp, immersive audio, while ultrasonic mist spreads calming scents safely. Easy-to-use presets and memory functions make it perfect for adults, kids, and babies. Just set your sound, light, and fragrance. Maximize your space with this 6-tier rotating bookshelf. Each square tier is designed to hold books, decor, or media, with the bottom tier perfect for tall items. It spins a full 360 degrees, so you can reach anything without moving the whole unit. Built from solid bamboo with a vintage mid-century finish, it's sturdy, stylish, and moisture-resistant. Swivel wheels make it easy to relocate, turning corners and small spaces into functional, organized displays. Elevate your bathroom with this luxurious freestanding vanity. The solid wood frame and fluted drawer fronts exude elegance, while the thick marble countertop adds durability and style. Built-in LED lighting sets a soft, modern glow, perfect for any ambiance. 3 rows of soft closed drawers keep your essentials organized, and an open shelf offers space for towels or baskets. With moisture-resistant construction and a brushed gold base, it's as practical as it is stunning. Step into the future of smart furniture with this smart bedside table that's as luxurious as it is functional. Crafted from solid walnut wood and MDF veneer, it combines a 10-liter fridge, wireless charging, mug warmer, antibacterial HEPA air purifier, ultrasonic humidifier with aroma diffuser, and a floating magnetic night light. With motion sensors, a touch LED passcode lock, and whisper quiet operation, it transforms your room into a high-tech, elegant sanctuary where convenience meets style. Elevate your gaming setup with the ergonomic gaming chair, designed for ultimate comfort and style. Crafted with Gen 2 EPU leather featuring Cool Touch technology, it keeps you cool while providing long-lasting durability. Built-in lumbar support and high-density cold-cured foam cushions ensure proper posture and plush comfort during extended sessions. The ultra-wide base, 152-degree recline, and adjustable 2D armrests let you find your perfect position for focus, relaxation, or gaming marathons. Step into a new world of rest and relaxation with the smart bed. It wraps you in a cocoon-like personal space with smart lighting, soothing fragrances, massage modules, and high-fidelity sound for sleep, meditation, or private cinema experiences. Control everything from a native iOS app, adjust lights, bed position, scents, and music, or track your sleep and receive insights to improve it. Crafted by skilled Italian artisans, each Hycan is fully customizable to your size, colors, and finishes. It's more than a bed. It's a personal sanctuary for dreaming, relaxing, and recharging. Step into a piece of design history with the Ball Chair, an iconic creation by Eero Aarnio that redefined modern seating. Debuting in the 1960s, this spherical chair combines a fiberglass shell with premium fabric or leather upholstery, offering both comfort and striking visual appeal. With 14 colors to choose from, it fits through a standard 79-centimeter doorway and adds a playful yet sophisticated touch to any space. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.